Hello, this is Dr. Grande. Welcome to my video on APA style, formatting the title, abstract, and body. So we'll start here with this manuscript, and we'll start at the very top, and I'll show you what you'll need to know for formatting APA style. At the very top, inside the header, APA style, we have what's called the running head. And the reason it looks gray is because it's actually in the header. So to access it, and this is in Microsoft Word 2010, go to Insert, Header, and Edit Header. So you can see that it starts with the words running head, and notice the H is not capitalized, a colon, then a space, and then in all capitals, the title of the paper or a partial title of the paper, and I'll explain what that means. And then left justified over here, it's paginated, and the title page does start with the pagination, starts at page 1. So looking here at the title of this particular manuscript, it's Path Analysis of the SCL 90R, Exploring Use in Outpatient Assessment. Now what you want for the running head is a length of 50 characters or fewer, including spaces, but you don't want any awkward breaks. For example, you would not break in the middle of a word. So with the colon being here, this seems like a logical place to stop. Path Analysis of the SCL 90R. So moving down, you can see here we have the title, primary author, affiliation, second, third, and fourth author and their affiliation. All these items are centered, they're not bold, and they're double spaced. Now, by default, Word adds an extra space after a paragraph, and you'll have to remove that or set it not to do that. In APA style, everything is double spaced. There's no extra space after or before paragraph. The font for the entire paper, not just this title page, is Times New Roman, and it's in 12 point. You can see I have the green double arrows set up. This is 1-inch margins all the way around, and this is for every page. Top to bottom, the left and right, all 1 inch. So moving to page 2, notice the phrase running head is now missing. So this is what the running head will look like for the remainder of the paper, and this will be on every page of the manuscript. We look at the abstract. The word abstract is centered, and it's not bold, double spaced, and then you actually start with the abstract here. The abstract is left justified and is not indented as a normal paragraph in the body would be. So there's no indent here for the first sentence. It has a jagged right edge. The rest of the paper will have a jagged right edge as well. This particular abstract is 109 words, but usually you start with 150 to 200 words. Oftentimes abstracts do get shortened to meet the requirements of a journal. Then we have keywords. So this whole phrase, the keywords and the actual words themselves, or the word keywords and the actual keywords themselves, they're all centered. Keyword itself is capitalized and italicized, followed by a colon, then a space, and then the actual keywords are listed and separated by commas. Only proper nouns will be capitalized. So moving to page 3, this starts with the publication manual of the American Psychological Association calls Introduction. However, it's often referred to as the literature review. I usually refer to it as the literature review. And you can see that the heading before the introduction is actually the title of the paper. It's centered and not bold. Moving down to this first paragraph, you see there's multiple works cited in the same parentheses for the same sentence, and they would be separated by a semicolon. The citations would be separated by a semicolon. These works are listed alphabetically, not chronologically. Moving down into the middle of the second paragraph, this is an APA style list. It has elements, and whenever you have 3 or more elements in a series, you use letters, not numbers, but letters in parentheses to separate the elements of the series, and then a comma right before the end of the element before you start with the next letter. The exception would be if any one of the elements, any one or more of the elements, uses a comma as part of the element. Then you would change the separator to a semicolon. So now moving into page 4, we'll take a look at the heading levels. Now in APA style, there are 5 heading levels. This is a level 2 heading, where it says statement of the problem. It's a level 2 heading. So in level 1, the heading is centered, bold, uppercase, and lowercase. For level 2, which this is, it's left aligned, bold, uppercase, and lowercase. So really it's the same as level 1, except left aligned. Now when you move into level 3, 4, and 5, it changes a bit. The level is indented, bold, and lowercase with a period on level 3. It's indented, bold, italicized, and lowercase with a period for level 4. And it's indented, italicized, and lowercase with a period for level 5. Here's a list of all these level types, all 5. And then one final note here for formatting is that there's a 1/2 inch indent at the start of every paragraph in the body of the manuscript. I want to thank you for watching this video. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to assist you.